What's the meaning of brokerage? Brokerage. Brokerage.
Brokerage. Brokerage. The term brokerage generally refers to the process of acting as an intermediary or mediator between parties to facilitate transactions. In the financial context, brokerage involves providing services that assist clients in buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, and currencies. The result of a brokerage transaction is usually a commission or fee charged by the broker for their services. Brokers may also provide advice and information to clients regarding investment opportunities and market trends. Overall, brokerage plays a crucial role in enabling investors to access financial markets and make informed decisions about their investments.